So this is placing your first stock trade. So first of all, the reason I'm placing trades tonight is because, well, it doesn't have to be tonight, but the reason I'm placing trades here in December is because I have a very specific strategy with my kids' accounts. If my children show more than $1,100 of unearned income, I have to report that on my tax return. And I am so lazy, I do not want to report this at all on my tax return, or I don't want to file a tax return for them. I just don't want to have to think about it. In fact, I wanted to use 529 plans just because all the taxes are deferred and potentially tax-free if you use them for college. But a UTMA or UGMA account, a custodial account, it can be used for anything. It doesn't have to be for college or education. And so my wife wanted those. So naturally we did custodial accounts. And so now my goal is to try to mimic the effect of a 529 by showing some gains under 1,100 per year, but not more than 1,100 per year. And what I'm getting out of this is complete tax-free growth. Because if I show about $1,000 worth of gains, I don't have to report it, I don't have to deal with it, and it basically just evaporates in terms of tax filing, which is nice. So this is publication 929, and of course I had to look this up again because I wanted to make sure that it really was still 1,100